Hey everyone, my name is Nala Harbin. I'm the founder of Yoga Avec Moi, and I have had this YouTube channel for a really long time and I never knew what to do with it, and you can see that I've only uploaded like 4 or 5 videos already. But now is a time I feel that is so important for me to share some information, because I don't know if many of you know this about my background, but I've studied in control of infectious diseases. And so many people thought that when I had switched from public health, like outbreak work, to integrative yoga therapy, that I was actually like completely changing my field. But the way I saw it was more like control of infectious diseases was studying the darkness or the things that were not working with the world, and then integrative yoga therapy is what is working with the world, and then basically using these same principles in global health. So I have never strayed from my passion and love for global health, and so now I feel like the worlds have collided for me to share this information, both the science and the spirituality, like together, as these are two parallel systems of thought that I see and view the world. And I think they really do need to be seen as like parallel. So that's something that I really hope to bring to this YouTube channel and to the next series to come. And this is going to be new for me, so please be understanding of my growing skills as a YouTuber. So if there's any YouTubers out there that would like lend a skill to be like where to put the lighting and stuff like that. So this is actually what I look like in real life, but I can't figure out how to deflect the light. So I would love to actually see when I speak to you, but I guess it's gonna just be blind. So yeah. Let me know if there's any suggestions you have. There's probably going to be a growth curve here, but what I am super passionate about is that I feel like I need to do this quickly, and maybe my skill sets as a YouTuber may not catch up as to what I need to say. And so right now I'm prioritizing the content and what I have to share with you guys above and beyond everything else. So I know is not going to be the quality that you're going to see with other YouTubers, but I'm trying my best and I will improve. So we'll see what happens. And what I wanted to let everyone know here is that for the past, I've been in self-quarantine right now for like 63 days now. So this I know is going to be new for many of you. And so what I hope to share with these 60 days is not only my personal experience, but also as an integrative yoga therapist, how to support your mental, physical, and energetic health whilst you quarantine yourself safely, but also share with you a little bit of knowledge of like what is actually going on in the world, both physically and spiritually and humanly as well. So that's something that I hope to share with everyone. I hope you like this video. People say that to like this video, subscribe, I guess do those things. Hopefully I'll come up with a line soon that I'll know what to say. But for now, this is my video and I can't wait. I can't wait to share everything with you. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video.